Hi there, and welcome to a quick look at the new Return Shipments feature in your shipping portal, which allows you to create return shipments more seamlessly and efficiently. You have the option to choose a single leg return, i.e. an international return, or a multi-leg return, i.e. hub return, depending on the nature of your shipment. Regarding who handled the original shipment, if it was by us, then you can select Yes. This will help your shipment to be created and processed quicker. If the original shipment was not handled by us, you can select No. Now you will be able to find the original shipment that you would like to return, whether that's by looking in the list, searching, or filtering. Once you have found it, you can select it. We understand that mistakes happen, so if needed, you can go back and select the one you intended to select. Now you need to specify which commodities you will be returning. You can select some or all, and within each, you can select the quantity, keeping in mind that you can't go over the quantity that was specified in the original shipment. Now you are ready to start your return. This screen will show you the details of the quote as per normal. However, a lot of the information will be pre-filled based on us knowing your original shipment. You are able to move through this screen to review all the information. Depending on what has been set for your account, you could have 3 return reasons available to you. These reasons are return after repair, return after temporary export, and return after permanent export. Make sure to choose the reason that aligns with yours the most. If you select Return After Repair, you will need to specify if there was a cost to repair the goods. If there wasn't a repair cost, such as the goods being repaired under warranty, you can specify No. Otherwise, specify Yes and provide the costs. Ultimately, these are needed to ensure that you get charged the appropriate taxes and duties. Please also make sure to review the HS codes applied to your commodities, and when you are ready, you can select your rate and click Create Shipment. As the origin and destination countries were swapped due to the nature of this shipment being a return, the same is done by default for the shipper details and consignee details. You do, however, still have the flexibility to alter some of the information if needed. On the next step, the description of contents will be pre-filled based on your original shipment, and you can provide your customer reference as you normally would. You can also review and change your return reason if needed. We ask that for return after repair shipments that you upload supporting evidence of there being a repair cost, or if no repair cost, we ask for evidence such as the warranty agreement. Finally, you can then decide if you would like to schedule your pickup or not as you normally would and place your order. Please note that due to the importance of ensuring that the correct documentation has been provided with your shipment before it gets picked up, your documentation will be reviewed by our team. In the event that you haven't uploaded the required documentation, you will receive a message in your order informing you of the missing documents. Your waybill will be generated once the documents have been provided and subsequently reviewed by our team. If you would like more insight into this feature, please don't hesitate to reach out to your account admin. Thank you for watching.